Welcome to Isocrats.app channel, a platform where you learn, measure, and grow. On this video, we will show a quick and simple way to solve the question.
Look at the given data. Vanita, details, storybooks, notebooks, pencil. So Vanita has 12 storybooks, 20 notebooks, and 4 pencil. Similarly, Radha has 27 storybooks, 17 notebooks, 6 pencil. Gokul has 7 storybooks, 11 notebooks, 4 pencil. Finally, Geeta has 10 storybooks, 12 notebooks, 5 pencil. So, can we arrange the given data in easy manner? Yes, we can arrange the given data in a tabular form, which is given as here. And the items possessed by these 4 people are positioned in a rectangular array containing 4 horizontal and 3 vertical arrangements. These are 4 horizontal arrangements and these are 3 vertical arrangements. So what do we call these horizontal arrangements as? We call these horizontal arrangements as row, while we call vertical arrangements as matrix. And when we look at the rectangular array as a whole, we call it the rectangular array as a matrix. So the given data can be arranged easily in a matrix form. And the matrix form is nothing but this for the given particular data. From this rectangular array, that is the matrix, we can see that Vanita has 12 storybooks, 20 notebooks, 4 pencils. Radha has 27 storybooks, 17 notebooks, 6 pencils. Gokul has 7 storybooks, 11 notebooks and 4 pencils. And Geeta has 10 storybooks, 12 notebooks and 5 pencils. When we look at the definition of a matrix, and it says that a matrix is a rectangular array of elements. The horizontal arrangements are called rows and vertical arrangements are called columns. Let us take another example of a matrix which is given as A is equal to -2, 5, 6, 5, 2, 7. And when we look into this matrix, there are 3 columns and there are 2 rows. So this rectangular arrangement is called a matrix and it is nothing but a rectangular array of elements. This -2, 5, 6, 5, 2, 7 are all called elements of the matrix. Okay, how do we represent a matrix? Usually the capital letters such as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, etc. are used to represent the matrices, and the small letters like small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small l, A11, A22 are all used to indicate the entry, that is the elements of the matrix. Okay, by knowing matrices, where can we apply it in our daily life? Matrices are used in the real world for collecting the data like the population of the people, infant mortality rate, etc. Okay, how it is used over there? Suppose if they are selecting 4 countries and they are collecting the total number of men, total number of women and total number of children. So this data can be represented as a matrix as we saw in the first part of the lecture. Like Vanita, Gokul and all, we can represent those data in a matrix form. Okay, where else it is used? It is used in robotics and automation for the basic components for the robot movement. That is, in order to fix a movement for a robot, they are actually using matrices in the field of robotics and automation. Is that limited for the use of matrices? No, it is not. It has also been used in hospitals for MRI scans, CAT scans and all. And it is not a limit. There is limitless use of matrices in our real life. Here are the few examples that we have mentioned over here. The next part is order of a matrix. Okay. When we look at the example A is equal to -2, 5, 6, 5, 2, 7, we are able to see that there are 3 columns and 2 matrices. So our order of a matrix can be denoted as number of rows into number of columns. In the given example, 3 cross 2 is the order of the given matrix A. So if a matrix A has m number of rows, like in our case 2 rows, and n number of columns, here 3 columns, then the order of matrix A is nothing but number of rows into number of columns, that is m cross n, and for our example it is 3 cross 2. Okay, m cross n, does it mean that 3 into 2 is equal to 6? So 6 is the order of a matrix? No. And m cross n does not tells us that we have to multiply m and n. It tells us just there are m rows and n columns. So m cross n, we should not product the m and n for the order of a matrix. Okay, how can we see the general form of a matrix that has m rows and n columns? The general form of a matrix is given as here. That is A11, A12, etc., A1j, etc. up to A1n. Similarly, A21, A22, etc., A2j, etc., A2n, and up to AM1, AM2, etc., AMj, etc. up to AMn. So what does this tells us? That A11, A12, A1j, or if we take AMn, AMj, what does it tells us? It tells us that A11 is nothing but the first row and the first column. A12 tells us that first row, second column. So A11, A12, A13, etc. will tells us the entry of the element in the particular matrix. So if we take Aij, then it tells us that the element is in ith row and the jth column. Okay, and can also be referred as I, jth element. That is, if we take A11, then we can say that 1, 1th element it is. If we have 5, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 4. And if we take 5, we will be able to say that 5 is in the first row, first column. So it is the general form of a matrix with m rows and n columns. Okay. A matrix can also be expressed as Aij m cross n. That is, Aij is the entry in the matrix and m cross n tells us that the order of the matrix is m cross n. Okay. We have seen that m cross n is the order of the matrix and we should not multiply m and n in order to get the order of a matrix. So what will happen if we multiply m into n? If we multiply m into n, then we will be getting the number of elements in a given matrix. Suppose if we take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is the order of this matrix? It has 2 rows and 2 columns. Therefore, the order is 2 cross 2. And the number of elements in the given matrix is nothing but 4. How do we find it? We multiply the number of rows and the number of columns. Okay, let us take another example. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what is the order of this matrix? The order is 2 cross 3. since there are 2 rows and 3 columns. 1, 2, 3 is the row, 4, 5, 6 is a row, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6 are all elements present in the column. Okay, number of elements present in the matrix B is nothing but 6. Okay, I hope it is clear till now.